Hello there! In this video, we'll show you how to import products from a CSV file using TakeApp. First, head to the Product section in the dashboard. Here, in the product list, click the Import button. You will then see a modal for product upload. Next, click to upload the product using CSV. Upon doing so, a new import modal will appear. Here, you'll need to browse and select your CSV file. Once the CSV file is chosen, you'll see a prompt asking you to map columns in the CSV file to the destination columns. If you've used our template file, you won't have to worry much about this. However, if your CSV file is custom from another platform, you'll need to carefully map the columns. Once done, click Continue. Now, you'll see which rows of your CSV file will be imported. For example, the products apple pie and pasta will be imported, each with a description, category, and variant name. You'll notice items like apple pie may have different variants, such as small, medium, and large. We identify these variants under the apple pie product using a handle. It's important to ensure that all variant rows have the same handle. The same product will have the same handle, while different variants have different names and prices. When you're ready, click Submit to import. You'll then get a success message. Click Done to finish. You can now see the newly added products, pasta and apple pie. If you click on apple pie, you'll see that it has 3 variants: small, medium, and large. If you choose to look at the other product, pasta, you'll see that it has no variants, just a single price.